Looks like they're feeding all right there by that, where the sun came up. Just gonna jig it a couple times. Reel it in slow. Oh, another one. Another one. Ooh, got another one. Got another one. Oh, come on, baby. 3 bass in a row. Let's go, baby. Ooh, this boy's a fighter. Ooh, this boy's a fighter. Ooh, we got a fighter. Oh, come on, baby. Ooh, come on, bring him in. Ooh, this boy's a fighter. He's not as big as the other ones, but he definitely is a toad. Oh, look at the placement on this one. Woo! Shit, I hooked him right by the eye, man. Look at this guy. 3rd one. Look at the hook placement. Hooked him right by the eye. So I hooked this one a little bit different. See where the hook's at? This one I hooked him right by the. He went on the inside, outside of his eyeball, but he took that one. He took it. What a beautiful fish. Beautiful. Damn. So, caught me another one. Check out the hook placement. Woo! See if I can get that hook out. Shit. Look at the colors on this guy. This one's smaller than the other two. Smaller than the other two. But still, this guy was a fighter. Oh man. Got the line all tangled in my GoPro. Woo! What a day. 3 for the day. Here you go, buddy. There you go.